Despite the Independence Day holiday, new contracts kept pace with activity over the past several weeks. It's Friday, July 11th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory in Annapolis for sale dipped again this week to 220 homes at a median $797,000 this report, compared to 2024's 148 homes for sale, a 49% increase in inventory year over year. 22 properties are coming soon, rising by 2 from last report. 26 homes went under contract in 23 days. 11 homes sold for a 94.4% list to sold ratio in 26 days with a median sales price of $492,000. 5 homes sold in zip code 21401 at a median $490,000 sales price in 43 days. 4 homes sold in zip code 21403 at a median sold price of $528,500 in 14 days. 2 homes sold in zip code 21409 at a median $475,000 price in 23 days. There are 35 homes for lease at $3,200 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 11th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.